What separates DJs who attract hundreds of hyped viewers on Twitch from the ones playing to empty chats? The difference isn't luck, and don't you dare say it's because the female DJs are showing off their bodies. It's just a few clear strategies that I discovered while growing my channel from 0 viewers all the way to Twitch partner without having to show my boobs. So in this video, I'm going to give you 19 tips that will make your growth faster and more reliable so that you can grow a thriving community and a source of income. So imagine your favorite TV show. Now picture if episodes aired randomly, maybe once every few weeks with completely different storylines each time. Oh, and on random days. You wouldn't stick around, would you? Your Twitch audience feels exactly the same way. So set a schedule and stick to it, even if it's just one consistent stream per week. Bonus points if your music/content stays in a similar lane. If your fans tune in expecting Soulful House Sundays, don't suddenly drop a surprise techno set on a Tuesday afternoon. Build trust first, and then you can experiment. Now, once you've nailed down your schedule and found your rhythm, it's crucial to make sure your audio and video quality aren't sabotaging your success. If your mix is fire, but your mic sounds like you're underwater and your camera's giving 1988, people will bounce. So dial in your OBS settings and test your mic and use the filters on OBS like compression to make even your Radio Shack mic sound better. Level your volumes and make sure the music isn't peaking or muddy, and get at least one decent camera. And watch a damn YouTube tutorial on how to have the best camera quality. Now, good tech alone won't keep people coming back. Community does. And this starts with showing up in other streams. Think about that one person who always pops in the chat. They cheer everyone on and they drop bits like confetti. You know the one. That could and should be you. When you actively support others, they naturally want to support you back. So pick 2 or 3 streamers whose streams you genuinely love and become an active part of their community. Raid their channels, offer to mod their streams, join their Discord servers. People notice sincere support, and when it's your turn to hit go live, they'll be excited to return the favor. And with community building underway, let's shift gears and talk about authenticity and why pretending to be someone you're not can seriously backfire. If you're a naturally goofy vinyl nerd, don't suddenly morph into a moody techno DJ just because you think it's going to boost views. Audiences can smell inauthenticity from a mile away. Twitch and all other social media platforms reward realness. So lean into whatever makes you uniquely you. Whether you're geeking out over rare vinyl or spinning sets wearing a full bush suit, embrace your quirks and personality. You are the secret sauce. Let your viewers get a taste of who you really are. And now that you've nailed down your authentic vibe, let's talk about creatively showcasing it through your stream's visuals and presentation. Do you know this guy? You've probably seen Marc Rebillet at one time or another, and while he's not a DJ, I just want to point out his vibe. He did an entire series of live looping live streams from his apartment in his robe. It's cozy and weird and real world, and it works because people remember experiences that feel different. So ask yourself, what do you genuinely love? Rare disco edits? Spooky ambient sets? Country trap remixes? Whatever it is, build your stream around it. Get creative with overlays, lighting, and even the way you interact with chat. Make it unmistakably yours. And once you've nailed down your unique flavor, let's make sure your titles and notifications are just as spicy. I think too many stream titles are just chill vibes and DJ set tonight. That's like opening a club and calling it Music Inside. It tells people nothing. But compare that to someone who titles their stream Spicy Afro House and Bad Decisions or Midweek Melodic Meltdown. You feel something, you're curious, you click. So rate titles that spark curiosity, vibe, or mood. If your stream has a theme or energy, tease it in the title, and please use your go live notifications like a DM. Make them fun or cheeky or warm or anything to make people want to click over. Now, once they click into your stream though, what keeps them there? Let's talk about planning. Have you ever seen a DJ go quiet mid-set? Eyes darting like they're diffusing a bomb, frantically scrolling through their playlists. See, planning doesn't kill spontaneity, it just gives you confidence. Knowing what you're playing, a few things you want to say, and what happens if the chat goes quiet, that is what helps you stay in your flow. So before you go live, jot down what vibe or genre are you going to stick to? What are 1 or 2 talking points, shout outs, funny stories, or announcements? And what's a vertical clip moment that you're going to try to capture? This is going to help you stay engaging even through the lulls. Now, once you've got the vibe locked and a plan in place, there's one last thing to let go of. We've all done it. We've peaked at that viewer count midstream and had the soul drain out of our bodies. Only 3 people? Is one of them my mom? It's easy to let those numbers mess with your energy. But here's the truth. Viewers can totally feel that energy shift. So turn off your viewer count if you need to. Stream like there's 100 or 100,000 people in the room. Your energy sets the room, not your analytics. And ironically, the minute you stop chasing numbers, you usually grow faster. And if you do want to grow faster, the best way to do it isn't streaming more. It's this next tip. The DJs getting noticed aren't just on Twitch. They show up in Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. One clip of a dope drop or a funny moment can send new viewers straight to your stream. And you don't have to become a full-time video editor to do this. You can use tools like Atom Vertical that auto-cut clips while you stream. I made a video about Atom Vertical. I'm gonna link it in the description or up here or something. For every hour that you're live, aim to capture 1 vertical clip. That's it. A cool transition, a dance moment, something funny you said, or something funny that happened in the chat. Post it and link back to your stream within 24 hours. And while we're making Twitch happy trying to bring people over, there's a way to hack discoverability from inside the platform too. You would be shocked by how many people browse Twitch by tags like vinyl, techno, DMV. It's not just a hashtag, it's how the algorithm sorts you. So leaving your tags blank or too generic is like posting a flyer with no event details. No one knows what they're tuning in for. So use genre tags that actually match your music and make sure to keep them fresh and accurate. So now you're showing up, you're getting found. Let's talk about what keeps people coming back. One DJ I love has a sunset slow jams hour every Sunday. Another does a spins and sips cocktail set where viewers help pick the playlist and the drink. Now, these kind of rituals build anticipation and community identity. People look forward to your quirks and signature stream segments. So try building 1 recurring moment into your stream. It could be the story behind the track, where you share a memory about a song or trivia about it. It could be an end of the stream award for your funniest chat moment. Whatever it is, make it yours. It's what people come back for. And while you're building the rituals, don't forget the basics of interaction. Too many DJs hit go live and forget there's a whole audience out there. They have no mic, no chat, and no connection. It's just them and the void. It feels less like a show and more like a sound check. Even if you're not super chatty, a little goes a long way. A type of 1 in the chat if you love house music, or let's go chat, I want to see your best emotes. It makes people feel seen and a part of what you're doing. Now, I think you should use a mic if you can. If not, keep the chat open and type throughout the set. And please put no mic DJ in your title so people know what to expect. Another great way to connect, let folks peek behind the curtain. I once tuned into a stream because I saw a DJ using a glow-in-the-dark turntable, and I had to know more. See, people love to nerd out on gear, even if they're not DJs. A deck cam or a second cam makes your stream more immersive and shareable. Use a camera angle that shows your hands or your gear. It adds depth to the stream, lets people connect with your artistry, not just your music. You want to level that up even more? Give people a reason to come back on a specific day. Think Vinyl Latin Wednesdays, or All Female Producers Night, or Sad Girl Sunday. Themes help your stream stand out in a sea of generic streams and titles. People love tuning in for a vibe, especially when they know what to expect. It creates that can't miss feeling. So start with a simple idea, a favorite genre, a favorite artist, tributes, maybe a decade. Brand it, repeat it, and watch the loyalty grow. And once you've got regulars, you don't always have to fight for visibility. Some of my best raids and most new followers happened during early morning or late night streams, when the platform was quieter and more intimate. You don't have to fight the entire internet for attention. Sometimes a smaller room means more connection. So test a few off-peak time slots, like weekday mornings or late nights. and see when your people show up. And then you can make it a regular. And while you've got those viewers in the room, don't be shy about this next move. Ask your viewers to follow midstream by saying, I see some new people in here, and if you're vibing, hit that follow so we can keep dancing together. People want to support you, but they often need a nudge because sometimes they forget. So pick 1 or 2 natural moments per stream to ask for follows. Keep it casual, no pressure, always say thank you. And now let's take that connection even deeper with a little community building magic. Are you DJ Lex? Welcome to Lex's Lounge. DJ Vita, you're part of the Vibe Tribe. Lavonda Rocks, well, you're the Bush fam. A crew name builds identity. It turns lurkers into insiders and followers into fans. So pick something playful or personal or themed to your style. Use it on screen, in overlays, in chat commands, and refer to your people like they're already part of the family. And speaking of family, treat your regulars like royalty. See, when someone gets that shiny VIP diamond next to their name and you shout them out, they light up. They feel seen. It's not just about the badge. It's about acknowledgement. Recognition builds loyalty. So pick some regulars who've been showing up consistently and give them VIP status. Shout them out at the top of your stream and thank them for holding it down. And now let's round this out with a little ridiculous fun. We're going to add some channel point redeems. Some examples are play the next track blindfolded, or activate the disco lights, hit the smoke machine. Channel points are like mini inside jokes between you and your community. My community loves to make me shut up for 3 minutes at a time because they know it's so hard for me to not talk. These transitions turn casual watchers into engaged participants, and they give your stream a real personality. Also, it's fun. So pick 3 to 5 silly or vibe-boosting redemptions. Keep them simple and doable and tied to your personality. And update them every season. Gotta keep it fresh. Now you've got the growth tips, but what if your stream still looks like it was filmed on an underwater GoPro? Watch this video and I'll show you how to make your setup look polished, pro, and maybe even a little sexy.